So while I'm waiting for the gloss coat on this Tiger to dry, I thought I would do my entry video for the Charlie Mack World War II 80th anniversary D-Day invasion group build. And in anticipation of that group build, I had sorted all my World War II aircraft. I've got World War II ships and stuff down in the other cabinet. And so once he announced what it was, I think a couple of months ago, I started looking through. So a few things I want to do, obviously a plane, and I want to do a 1-48. And I have a couple of things with invasion stripes here. So I was looking through and looking out on the internet, and I looked up kind of what Charlie Mack said he did. Looked up D-Day invasion and then started scrolling through things that participated, Air Force that participated. I'm scrolling through and boom, from above, they show a B-26. And this one has invasion stripes because unfortunately I went through this earlier. There's no history. It's rare you get instructions with no history, not even, nothing here, nothing up here. So, I was like, wow, there's no history here. So I had to kind of go out and make sure that a B-26 did participate. And like I said, as I'm scrolling through, boom, it was like one of the pictures right there. So this is what I'm going to do. The B-26 Marauder in 1-48. If you watch my channel a lot, I'm kind of a 1-72 and 1-144 guy. So I haven't done a 1-48 in a long time. So as soon as I'm done with the Blue Angels Tiger, I will get started on that. So until then, thanks for watching and happy modeling.